But here we are, number 2 in the series of Spitfire kits I'm showing you. This was built before the Mk.IX I showed you before, on another video. Whether it's before or not, it's up to you which order you watch it in. This is a Mk.IX, if I remember correctly, or 5B, I'm not sure. It's a later Mark, later in the war. Anyway, you've got the dark earth replaced with the grey camouflage. It's probably more appropriate for Britain to be camouflaged against the grey clouds rather than the mud on the earth. You've got different camouflage roundels, not camouflage roundels, that's a stupid thing to say, different roundels. Again, it's a very simple kit, Airfix kit. The colour green is a little bit too bright for my liking. I think it should be more of an olive green colour than the standard green we've got here, but you know, you live and learn and you make different kits. I've used masking tape to mark out the timing tape to mark out the yellow leading edge. Some kits have a decal for that, but I never use it because it's too tricky to apply, really. Again, you got very thin details on the wings, so I'd recommend care applying those. Apply the roundels first, and then you can put the other one on afterwards. You've got cannons and you've got ordinary gun ports in this example. A nice little bit of decal detail with these extra decals either side and at the end of the wing and at the base underneath the tail section. I've painted the wheel wells here green, but interior green, but I'm not sure if that's the case. I'll have to double check on that. And in this instance, I don't know if you can see, there's a gap between the inside and the wing and the top side, which can be a bit irritating, but worse things to complain about. It's a four-bladed propeller later on in the war as the Spitfire was developed. Again, I've left the antenna cable aerial off there, which is something you can add if you want to. But just check I'm still in focus. Yeah, it's not bad. There we are, the later Mark Spitfire. Okay.